Hello, I'm Miss Megan from Cooper-Siegel Community Library, and this is Library Byte. Today I want to share one of the things that's available on Hoopla that I feel like is something that sometimes we accidentally stumble upon, but it's a little bit of a lesser known gem and wonderful aspect of Hoopla. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get to Hoopla. If you're using your computer, you can start out at coopersiegelcommunitylibrary.org. Click on Research and Education, click on All Databases, and that will pull you up to the databases and electronic resources that are available for everyone within Allegheny County with a library card. We are going to scroll down to Hoopla and click. If you're doing this with a smartphone or a tablet, you can just download the Hoopla app. Both ways, you're going to want to sign in and create an account in Hoopla. If you have any trouble with that, feel free to give us a phone call over at Cooper-Siegel Community Library, and we would be happy to help you out. Oh, or Sharpsburg Community Library. And we would be happy to help you out. And so to get to the read-alongs, you're just going to type read-alongs as the search, and you'll do the same thing if you're using a tablet. You'd click that search button and type in read-alongs, and that gives us 824 results. They're in two basic formats. There are some movies and ebooks. The movies always remind me of those old Reading Rainbow television shows. So I'm going to click on this one and give you a little bit of what it looks like. So you have some nice dramatic music, and you have somebody reading it, and just a little bit of animation to the gorgeous illustrations. And as you can see, it really highlights the text and the illustrations in a really gorgeous way. The other format is an ebook format. I'm going to limit it to ebooks here. And this one allows you to engage with the book. There's a narrator that will read it to you. I don't have the narration turned on right now. Oh, let's see. There we go. And so that will play the book, and the narrator will read it. I love that the narrator always, that the words are highlighted as the narrator reads. I also really love this magnifying tool that allows you to see the beautiful illustrations even closer. It's really fun. And so those are the two different kinds of read-alongs on Hoopla. I think they're fabulous for young kids. It's a really great way to have additional books shared with young children, maybe while you're working on preparing dinner or doing something else and just need to have your child read and listen to something on their own. I also really love them for emerging readers because they do such a great job of highlighting how the text and the illustrations work together to share a story. I hope this gives you something interesting to try out with your kids. Take care. Bye.